What's the forecast in Weather Vane?
Welcome to Weather Vane. I'm with my good buddy Tom, and as a weather guy, I bet you are fascinated about the sky, Tom.
I am, Kathy. How about you?
I love it. Oh yes, I love to look at the clouds and have always thought it would be fun to be on one.
Well, actually, you can, because if you fly in an airplane, you can fly through and even high above the clouds, or if you've ever driven through fog, you've been in a cloud, because fog is just a cloud very close to the ground.
So our heads really can be in the clouds.
Yes, they can, and all different kinds of them. There are white fluffy clouds, which are called cumulus clouds, flat sheet-like clouds called stratus clouds, then the thin wispy ones high up in the sky called cirrus clouds, then the big dark storm clouds that we call cumulonimbus clouds.
Easy for you to say. How fascinating. What are all of these clouds made of, Tom?
Well, all clouds are made up of tiny droplets of water, millions of gallons of water, actually.
Wow, where does all that water come from?
Well, from our lakes and oceans, and even puddles on the ground that evaporate into the sky, and then it condenses up in the higher, cooler air.
So the water doesn't just stay up in the clouds, right?
That's right. When the clouds get too heavy,
it rains.
Or it'll snow or sleet or hail. Any water falling from the sky is called precipitation.
Oh, we can definitely see water falling from the sky, but is there water we can't see, Tom?
There is. You can't see it, but you can definitely feel it. I'm talking about water vapor in the air, or humidity. When the air is really saturated, the humidity is high. You know that feeling when the air feels sticky and heavy and you start to sweat easily there.
All too well, Tom. It's hard to stay cool in hot, humid air. And speaking of humidity, I have a humidistat right here. And are they accurate?
They are, Kathy, for the most part. Most electronic devices today for weather can get very inexpensively at stores, even department stores. And it's good, especially those who have lung conditions or skin conditions who may need to know the humidity. Something like that could be very useful in their house.
Good to know, Tom. And whether it's in the air or the sea, water and weather are fascinating.
That's why I love my job.
I can see why.